Hola, soy Dora. Do you know what this is? Precisely a clay brick.
Clay brick produces 66 to 84 million tons of carbon dioxide and over 100,000 tons of black carbon annually in India. To combat this, we have created brick or bio-resilient innovative construction. Hello judges, my name is Suvideep Banerjee.
I'm Avril Agrawal.
And I'm Yashri Gupta.
And we are here to present Brick.
कूड़ा वहाँ खजाना यहाँ. Our startup transforms plastic waste into durable, moisture-resistant bricks, reducing pollution and advancing sustainable construction.
Clay bricks tend to weaken over time, especially in areas with extreme weather conditions. They need and demand constant attention. Repairs, and more repairs. Your wallet's worst nightmare. Clay bricks also absorb a significant amount of water, resulting in damp walls, mold growth, and structural damages.
The solution: bricks made out of recycled plastic waste with a lower rate of absorption and a lower maintenance cost.
बट खरीदू क्यों तुम्हारी ब्रिक्स?
अरे मत खरीदी हमारी ब्रिक्स. तुम आप कोई मत खरीदो हमारी ब्रिक्स. A plastic bricks water absorption rate is less than 1%. For comparison, a clay bricks water absorption rate is 20%, which means सीलन तो नहीं आने वाली. Economically, one plastic brick, which is an equal size to 2 clay bricks, cost 18 rupees, while the 2 clay bricks cost anywhere between 16 to 20 rupees. And the cherry on top, it doesn't get brittle as quickly, so it has a higher longevity.
Now, let's come to our customer segment. Our main customers will be builders and contractors along with various government tenders. As our bricks are more sustainable, cost-effective and durable than traditional clay bricks, builders will choose our product for a more durable as well as eco-friendly construction.
पर भाई पैसा कैसे कमाएंगे हम?
Our main revenue streams would be first, bulk orders from builders and contractors. A typical apartment complex comprises of around 5 to 6 lakh bricks, and thus we are just talking about one building. Next up will be various government subsidies that will help in the cost reduction of the business. Lastly will be the incubators that will provide us with the starting necessary fund as well as knowledge and wisdom to run our business smoothly.
So here's the SWOT analysis. Our strengths are cost effectiveness, superior resilience and water resistance, and scalability. Our weaknesses are high initial setup cost and perception of plastic. Our opportunities are growing in demand and governmental support.
These are the unit economics of a brick. It consists of the cost of each material in one brick. It also contains the cost of labor and power as well as the profit earned.
यार पिंकी प्रॉमिस कर अच्छा क्वालिटी होगा ना. Will it not melt because it's plastic?
यार तू फिर से आ गया? अभी तो आया था? चल ठीक है, बता देता हूँ तेरा. Our ratio of materials is approved by the United Nations Environment Programme. We also substitute materials from municipal corporations and trusted suppliers sticking to global standards. Also, along with fly ash, cement, sand and other materials, we will not have the problem of fire in our bricks.
मैम आप जनता तक कैसे पहुंचाएंगे?
ये तो अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. We'll build strong partnerships with builders nationwide to drive adoption. We'll use Instagram, Facebook and more to turn our product into the next big trend. We'll also educate people on how our bricks are the ultimate upgrade over the traditional ones.
This is the fund analysis of our product. Firstly will be the initial setup cost, that is around 40 lakhs. It includes all the major equipment such as machines as well as the licenses. Next will be the ongoing cost, that is the monthly cost incurred. The majority of which will be the raw materials at around 25 lakhs. Lastly, we will have the revenue projections. If we sell one brick at 18 rupees per brick and sell 7,000 bricks, then we can expect a net monthly profit of around 4,20,000.
Currently, we are just in the ideation stage. Then we plan on requesting 50 lakhs in exchange of royalty of 1 rupees per 10 bricks we sell till you make your money back, and an additional 15% equity. We truly believe brick can go far into the future and we'd love for you to be on board with us. Additionally, we have created a website that explains the mission in detail. We sincerely hope you will take the time to read it.
The verdict: don't let clay bricks weigh you down. Switch to plastic bricks for a better and healthier future, because your walls deserve better.